The people very often think that if you do FBA, you're safety. If you do dropshipping, this is a totally danger and you don't need to do that. But because of that, I share this experience with you. We continue having a lot of troubles with Amazon. I will give you the experience from last week. We have a medical product. It's not actually medical, it's healthcare product. We have it in stock. The Amazon says that laboratory that do the research about is this product okay and give us a certificate. Stop working anymore with Amazon. Amazon just removed the laboratory from the list. So they says that all our products need to be certificated again. But the cream that we sell is with 1 year expiration date. So the fastest way to take the certificate here is 3 months, because they can do 4 times expiration date faster for any product. But if you have 2 year certification for the expiration date, again, if you need for the new product or for the old one, just you need to wait 25% from the time. And here is the point that a lot of people think that, oh, I just will go with my cream or my item to the laboratory and they will do the certificate in 2-3 days. But this is not a blood test. This is a test in the laboratory and they need to wait 6 months to be sure that this product will be expiration date valid after 2 years. So we have 2 options. First one is to pay and to wait 6 months in the stock, or 3 months, it depends from the expiration date of the product, to take the certificate, to not sell the product. And the second one is to go to another stock or to back the items to some other place, to wait and to go again. But nobody cares that these items will expire in this period and we will be without money after. And we invest a lot of money in that product. Are you familiar with forbidden substance in Amazon? Then you can't sell anything. And one day they just send a message to our client that sells sweet things, that one of the things inside are not allowed anymore. So we need to go back with all the products to produce new products without this in the item, and to change the package to all the products and to send it again. But if you are a manufacturer, and if your manufacturer do items for $1,000 per month or $2,000, you need to lose $2,000 because you produce these items, especially for Amazon. Very often I skip the problems in FBA for the channel users, to be honest with them. But I skip it because I don't want to argue with anything that I hear in the net. But a lot of people think that they just start, send some product, and that's it. That's absolutely enough.
People should know that this is very typical Amazon experience, because they want to protect the marketplace.
Of course, but you don't need to give them the certificate today. This is not something that it can be after a month. They can change everything about their regulations, and they can say, okay, but from today you need to have a certificate for that. And if you send a lot of items there in stock and you start selling, you put a lot of money for the marketing, at the end they can say, oh, everything is fine, you just need to change the package of your item, or you just need to give us extra additional documents for that, and etc. So it's not safety.